In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become productive with Smartsheet. Full Guide 2026. First, open your preferred browser and go to smartsheet.com. This is your hub for building trackers, dashboards, and automated workflows. If you're new to the platform, the homepage also gives you helpful guidance and templates, but we'll focus on getting you working quickly. Next, sign into your Smartsheet account. Use your regular email and password or your organization's single sign-on. If you're already logged in, you'll be taken straight to your workspace. Keep your credentials secure and avoid saving them on shared devices. After logging in, you'll land on the home area. This is where you'll see recent items, favorites, and quick access to your most active work. The left panel lets you jump between home, browse for all workspaces, notifications, and more. Think of home as your launchpad for everything you need to update today. On the homepage, you'll see suggested items and the option to view all workspaces. A workspace is a container for related sheets, reports, and dashboards. To stay productive, organize by theme or project, and master each sheet's purpose. For example, use a project sheet for tasks and dependencies, a report to roll up key fields across multiple sheets, and a dashboard to visualize status at a glance. Clear names, consistent column headers, and simple folder structures make everything easier to find and maintain. To accelerate data management, let Smartsheet help you create structure. You can start with a prompt such as create a project tracker with columns for task name, assignee, status, and due date. If your data is messy, use tools to autofill or cleanse patterns, like standardizing dates or completing missing statuses where possible. When logic gets complex, ask for formulas, such as create a formula that calculates the number of days between the start date in column A and end date in column B, and apply it down the column. When you're ready to visualize and analyze, generate charts and insights from your data. For example, make a line chart tracking project expenses over time. Or, what are the main trends in this data? Apply conditional formatting to highlight rows where the status is. At risk, so bottlenecks stand out. If you need summaries, build a pivot table to show the sum of hours worked by assignee. To streamline collaboration, automate reporting with scheduled summaries delivered daily or weekly. If project documents are linked, use AI to summarize key requirements or action items. Connect other tools so that when a new row is added, tasks update, notifications are sent, or reports are generated automatically. A few best practices. Be specific in your prompts by naming the exact columns and context you're using. Iterate and refine. Ask for sample rows or formatting changes until it matches your needs. For recurring tasks, consider creating gems, personalized AI helpers that standardize repetitive work like a weekly status report. Note that some advanced features may require an AI-enabled plan, depending on your organization. That's it. Use these steps to structure your workspace, speed up data work, and keep your team aligned inside Smartsheet.